Hello my friend, welcome back. So finally I have fixed the issue about the bullet points you were facing, and also I'm going to explain what we have done. So in the previous version we were having a separate, like we were having a separate uh, where is size guide? Okay. Yeah. So in the previous we were having a separate section to manage our pop-up content inside the size and guide, like that. But now what we have done, we we have we have integrated these blocks inside the main product section, and also the setting of that section inside the main product pages. So now we don't anymore need of that section. We are going to delete it, and after that, if you want to customize the content, you have to press on the main product section, product pages, and you will see two options. But make sure, for enabling anything, you have to go to forum. In the forum you will see the enable advanced size selector, you will see other things also. But for managing the size guide tips, you have to press on the main product section, and you will see two options: intro text, heading. Okay, for the size guide. And if you want to add uh, accordion, how to do card, or you want to show the bracelets card, you have to add block. First, let's suppose I'm going to add the, so other important thing I want to share, to make the specified difference, I have added the ADV-S as a prefix before the blocks, so it will make easy to understand which is relative to our size selector. So let's suppose I'm going to add, I have added ADV-S accordion. And now in the previous version we were having the issue about the bullet points. So now I have updated it like bullet points separate each bullet by the pipe. Okay, so let's suppose here we have uh, two bullet points but in the same line. So for separating it, you have to place that symbol, just it, you have to place the pipe symbol, um, like that I have mentioned in the heading also, and it will make our bullet point to be in the separate bullet point. So that's it. If you want to add more, you have to press, you have to mention it at the ending, and you can do something like, yeah, let's pause KK. Here it is. Let's to be it reload. Yeah, it's taking time to be updated. So that's it, how it's worked. So extra content optional below cards. So actually I have explained in the previous everything in the previous, but little bit new. So I'm going to add another thing, ADV rich text. Here is, we can use that field like that, and we can also use the bracelet card. We can also use the how to card. Let's take any image for the sample, and also in that the ADV-S bracelet card, you have to place the wrist and the bracelet per line. So actually, for separating on the left side and the right side, you have to place the same symbol. Okay, so that's it. Let me add some sample images. Okay, let's open. And other thing I want to tell you, you were saying something like that you only want the size guide and tips feature only for the rings, not for all products like bracelets. Okay, so for that it will be a good idea. You have to go to the forum. First of all, inside the default product, you have to make sure disable it. Okay, so what happen, it will disable the, let's suppose, let me save it. Okay, let's save it, and after that we should reload it. So first what I have done, I am in the default product template, and after that I have this, go to the forum block and disable the show guide and tips. Okay, so now here you can see we don't have any size guide tip. So for showing the rings, uh, for showing up for the rings, what you can do, you can create template rings. Let's suppose I have created rings. So now we have two separate templates. One is the default for all products, other is the rings. So what we can do, go to the product section, open the forum and enable it. Okay, I have enabled it. And for assigning the, like we have two templates, one is for all products, other one is only for the rings. Products, okay, going to, let's open our product we are testing out. So now here is, we have a product. Okay, now it's assigning and taking the default products. That's why we have disabled the size guide inside the default template. So that's why it's not giving us the feature of the guide and tips. If we assign, where is, okay, if we assign, like if we publish the theme and if we assign the rings, or maybe we can do something, yeah, we can rename our template. Okay, yeah, we can rename our template to be like product template with the size guide. So by that it will show the size guide feature also. So that's it.